Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. If you are new to Shopify and excited to begin the journey of creating your very own Shopify store, you are in the right place. Today, we are here to assist you in the step-by-step process of constructing your Shopify store from the ground up. Let's get started. Step 1 involves visiting the Shopify website. If you already have an account, feel free to log in. Otherwise, you can register for a free trial account. Since we are starting from scratch, we are going to select I'm just starting. Now, we have a range of options available here. Choose the one that best suits your needs. For this demonstration, we will be setting up an online store. Great. Next, we need to decide on the types of products we will be selling. Depending on your situation, you can choose from various options. If you're planning to use a dropshipper, select dropshipping products, right? If you already have a warehouse, you can select Ship by Me. Even Shopify provides an option I'll decide later. Right? For now, I'll select Ship by Me and proceed. Now, country, you can select whatever country you are located in. Here's a quick tip. I have gone ahead and created a Gmail account specifically for creating a sample Shopify store, and I'll be using that Gmail ID for this demonstration. Let's proceed by selecting Sign up with email. Alright, I'll use the Gmail account I created, okay, and create a Shopify account. Perfect. Now we are at the admin panel in order to build our Shopify store. Let's go to online store. And let's select a theme. As you can see here, Shopify provides plenty of paid and free themes. We'll be using a free theme for the demonstration. And let's select the first one, Spotlight. You may select any other themes. Try theme. Awesome. Now you can see Spotlight theme is added. So let's publish it. Okay, you can see current theme is Spotlight. Now come back to the pages. Alright, we can now add number of pages we need on our store. As you can see here, there is a contact page, but this is not included. Whatever included here is home, orders, products, customers, right? And we have navigations option also available here, right? So you can just customize the navigation of pages, right? Whether home should be the first one, product should be the first one. Stay tuned, we'll continue with all those options one by one. Alright, please stay tuned. We are going to add next videos on how to add products and pages along with the page navigation. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.